friend. Thank you for watching. I'm in Denmark visiting family, and I'm out checking out a spot where I, a couple of years ago, found a bunch of long-eared owls in this little patch of woods here. Last time I was here, there was about 6 or 7 of them. So I'm back now, a couple of years later. I'm very curious to see if they're still here. Long-eared owls have a tendency to kind of roost in the same little area year after year, so there's a good chance of them still being here, but I'm trying not to get my expectations up too high because absolutely no guarantees. Follow along today on my little adventure and we'll see if I can find some long-eared owls. I found a very good sign that there are owls here. I mean, there are definitely owls here because there's so much whitewash and so many owl pellets lying around. Let me show you on the ground here. That's an owl pellet, some whitewash, some more, whoops, see if I can get the camera to cover it, more whitewash here. And on the ground here, lots of owl pellets. Lots of pellets here. So yeah, there's definitely owls roosting in here. I'm gonna go in and see if I can find them. Just see how dense it is in here. It's just thick. I found my first long-eared owl of the day. He's sitting right up here, but it's extremely difficult angle, and it's so tight in here. There's so many branches and twigs and stuff, so I can't really get a clean shot. So this is probably mainly going to be a cool experience and not going to really yield good photos, but it's awesome anyways. Sitting right up here. Beautiful little guy. I love long-eared owls. What a bummer. There's a car that came by and totally spooked the owls because I'd only found one. But when that car came by, there was 4 that flew out of the treetops, just like 10 feet away from me. Oh, I was being so quiet, but obviously I can't control other things that can spook them, so they just took off. I think I might be able to find them again. The problem is they're going to be really attentive and kind of anxious now. They flew this way, so see if I can find them again. So I had a lovely morning. The weather is great. It's nice being out in nature. It's awesome getting to hang out with the owls, just looking at them. As far as photography goes though, yeah, it was pretty challenging. It's really hard to shoot in there. I don't think I have the right gear for the situation. And after that car drove by and spooked the owls, they were just so skittish. It was virtually impossible to really get anywhere near a good position to take photos of them. And also, you know, I don't want to keep spooking them. I don't want to, you know, stress them out. So it just doesn't feel good in a situation like that. So I've elected to quit, go do something else. It's a bit of a disappointment, obviously, because they're right in there. But I think that's a big part of wildlife photography. It's unpredictable. You know, you're dealing with nature and wild animals, and you never know what's going to happen. And I think the whole balance of trying to get good shots and so on, but without causing the animals unnecessary stress is really important. And this was definitely a lesson in balance. So thank you very much for watching, and yeah, see you next time.